All right, today on Capitol Hill, meanwhile, the U.S. Senate Health Committee held a hearing to talk about the next steps in the battle against COVID-19. Senators had the opportunity to question some of the health experts, including Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Senator Susan Collins is a member of that committee. She questioned Dr. Fauci about why Maine is still seeing high case numbers, despite also having one of the country's highest vaccine rates. Take a listen.
Can you explain to me why a state that has done a terrific job in getting people vaccinated is seeing this surge in cases that is overwhelming our hospitals and causing great fear and pain and loss?
Well, thank you for that question, Senator. Well, first of all, I think you did say something just a moment ago that I think is part of the explanation. You said that most of them are among people who are unvaccinated. However, and it's quite true, that there are breakthrough infections because no vaccine is 100% protective and you will always get breakthrough infections. In general, for the most part, breakthrough infections for people who have been vaccinated, all other things being equal, are usually less severe, don't lead as much to hospitalizations, and don't lead to as much as death. The data, though, in general, as was mentioned, I think specifically the numbers that were given by Dr. Walensky are incontrovertible, that a vaccinated compared to an unvaccinated person has a multifold less likelihood of being infected, a multifold less likelihood of being hospitalized or dying. So I think there are probably confounding multiple factors going into the difficult situation that your citizens in your state are going through. But there's no doubt that the vaccines clearly much, much better in the sense of protecting you from infection, hospitalizations, or death compared to the unvaccinated.
Interesting exchange. So Senator Collins also asked a question to U.S. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky about what schools could do to stop disruptive quarantine requirements for students.
We'll have more on that exchange coming up on News Center Maine at 5:30.